Feeling overwhelmed? Struggling to concentrate in a world overflowing with distractions? Well, you're not alone. Many people do struggle with this problem. Maintaining focus feels like an uphill battle for many people, including myself. Information bombards us from every angle and our mind seems to wired to wonder, daydream. Imagine a world where distractions fade away, replaced by laser-sharp concentration. Or imagine unlocking your brain's full potential for learning and achieving your goals. Well, the key lies within the intricate workings of this magnificent organ, what we call the human brain. By understanding the science behind focus, we can unlock its power and transform our personal development to a greater height. So welcome everybody. In today's video, we'll dive deeper into the neuroscience of focus, discovering how to conquer distractions and unleash your brain's full potential for learning and growth with the subconscious mind. The ability to enter a state of intense focus and effortless creation has long been a source of fascination for many people. The state known as flow is a highly desirable mental condition characterized by complete absorption in an activity, a sense of energized focus, and the feeling of timelessness. But what exactly happens in the brain during the state of flow? Flow is a state often sought after by anyone who desires to perform at their peak level. It's characterized by a feeling of complete immersion in the present moment, with worries and distractions seems to fade away. In this state, individuals experience a sense of effortless action where skills and knowledge seems to flow automatically. So in a research study revealed that a surprising decrease in activity within the frontal lobe during a flow state. The frontal lobe is the region of the brain that's associated with high-order cognitive functions such as planning, decision-making, and even self-control. This decrease in the activity suggests that a state of flow is less reliant on conscious control. In simpler terms, when we are in a flow state, we are not actively overthinking or analyzing our actions. Instead, we are able to act intuitively, drawing upon our knowledge and skills without the constraints of self-consciousness. This study also shows that the finding supports the notion that flow arises from a combination of expertise and the ability to eliminate a sense of control. Musicians who participated in this study were highly skilled improvisers with years of experience. Their extensive training allowed them to perform complex musical maneuvers almost immediately and instinctively, freeing their mind from the burden of conscious control. This ability to let go and trust in one's own ability appears to be the key factor in achieving flow. This study provides valuable insights into the brain's activity associated with the creative flow state. The observed decrease in frontal lobe activity during flow state suggests a reduced reliance on conscious control. This aligns with the idea that flow stems from expertise and the ability to surrender to the present moment. By understanding the neurobiological underpinning the state of flow, we can potentially develop strategies to cultivate this desirable state in ourselves. The human brain can be likened to a vast library containing a wealth of information. Focus acts as a selective spotlight illuminating a specific section of this library at any given time. This directed attention allows for efficient information processing, filtering out distractions, and facilitating effective learning. Neuroscience has identified several key brain regions crucial for focus. 1. Prefrontal cortex, 2. Parietal cortex, and 3. Occipital and temporal lobe. Let's look at each one of them in brief. Prefrontal cortex. This area of the brain acts as the conductor of the cognitive orchestra, coordinating attention and allocation of decision-making processes. parietal cortex. It's responsible for integrating and interpreting sensory information. The parietal cortex ensures our understanding what is relevant to our current focus. And 3, occipital and temporal lobes. This region processes visual and auditory information, respectively, enabling us to zoom into specific sights and sounds. The benefits of focus are numerous and has been well documented. So if you Google it, you can find so many resources on that and information. 1, enhanced learning. Focused attention strengthens the encoding of information into memory, facilitating knowledge acquisition and knowledge retention. 2, improve productivity. Filtering out distractions allows for faster task completion with fewer errors, boosting overall productivity. And 3, sounder decision making. A focused mind can analyze information better, more critically, and make well-considered choices. Despite its benefits, prolonged focus can lead to a feeling of mental fatigue. This experience can be explained by the brain's functional analogy to the muscle. The longer it is engaged in a specific task, the more it requires rest and recuperation. So here's the breakdown of the neurobiological contributors to focus-related fatigue. 1, glutamate depletion. This neurotransmitter called glutamate plays a crucial role in learning and memory. During sustained focus, glutamate neurotransmitter, the levels become depleted, leading to a temporary decrease in cognitive function. 2, neurotransmitters imbalances. Other neurotransmitters like dopamine are associated with motivation and reward system decline during extended or prolonged focus, and this can make it more challenging to maintain motivation and concentration. And 3, increased brain activity. Focused attention demands significant energy usage or expenditure in various brain regions. Over time, this heightened activity can induce a temporary feeling of fatigue. However, it's important to understand that this fatigue is not a sign of weakness. It's a protective mechanism within us. Mental fatigue serves as a biological cue to take a break and replenish resources. By understanding the neural basis of focus and fatigue, we can optimize our learning and performance. So here are 4 strategies that I suggest. 1, strategic breaks. Take short regular breaks, 5 to 10 minutes, allows the brain to replenish its resources and prevent cognitive fatigue. 2, task switching. Rotating between tasks that requires different level of focus or concentration helps to maintain engagement and prevent burnout. 3, sleep prioritization. Adequate sleep is vital for optimal cognitive function and focus. Aim for 6 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night, if possible. 4, stress management. Chronic stress can significantly impact focus. Techniques like meditation or mindfulness or even deep breathing exercises can help manage stress and improve concentration. By leveraging these neuroscience-backed strategies, we can better understand and support our brain's natural focus mechanism, ultimately unlocking your full potential for learning and achievement. Now, while multitasking may appear efficient, our conscious mind can only truly concentrate on one task at a time. The illusion of multitasking is, in reality, rapid context switching. However, the subconscious mind excels at true multitasking, managing vital bodily functions like breathing and heart rate, the function of heart rate. Seamlessly, it happens automatically. By harnessing the power of the subconscious, we can significantly enhance our ability to focus and concentrate even better. The cornerstone of improved focus lies in identifying and eliminating distractions. These distractions can be external, such as background noise, or internal, like intrusive thoughts. How to deal with external distractions? So when we are engrossed in a demanding task like reading, seek a quiet environment, or even noise cancellation headphones can be a valuable tool in this kind of situation, noisy environment. So how about taming internal distractions? So if your mind wanders or daydream, capture those thoughts through journaling, record them down, and address them later. Resolve any pressing concerns before embarking on a focus intensity activity. Our natural tendency is to concentrate better on activities that we find engaging. So consider how a captivating movie absorbs your attention, leaving you oblivious to your surroundings, your environment. You're so into that movie. So if a task seems dull, adopt a strategy of stimulated interest, meaning that the more you engage with the task, the more interesting it may become. However, if the activity has no bearing on your goals, consider delegating or eliminating it altogether. Scheduling your day strategically allocates specific tasks to designated time slots. This approach prevents cognitive overload and allows you to channel your focus effectively on the task at hand. With a well-defined schedule or timetable, you process a clear roadmap, what needs to be done, what needs to be accomplished, and when. This eliminates the mental burden of constantly deciding what to do next. And this frees up valuable cognitive resources for better concentration on other tasks. Establishing direct communication with the subconscious mind presents a significant scientific hurdle. However, recent research suggests that there may be windows of opportunity to bridge this gap. The hypnagogic state is the transition state between wakefulness and sleep, and vice versa, appears to offer a channel for transmitting positive affirmations and instructions that we can use directly to the subconscious mind. Furthermore, studies have shown that consistent repetition of a desired behavior over a period of 21 days can effectively train the subconscious mind, integrating the behaviors into its repertoire as an automatic habit. These findings offer promising hope for future exploration in harnessing the power of your subconscious mind for enhanced focus and performance. Meditation is a powerful tool that offers a multitude of benefits for focus and concentration. So how does it help in sharpening your focus? Reduce barrier between conscious and the subconscious mind. Regular meditation or mindfulness practices thins the barrier between the conscious and the subconscious mind, facilitating communication between these two parts of the mind. Enhance focus and clarity. Meditation or mindfulness methods fosters inner peace and mental clarity, allowing you to approach a task with a focused and centered state of mind. Then 3, unlocking hidden solutions. Meditation or mindfulness method can unveil solutions to problems that may seem intractable to the conscious mind. In this video, we have looked into the fascinating exploration of focus and concentration, delving into the very core of human potential. We have also seen how brain, the magnificent organ, acts as a spotlight, illuminating the path to learning and achievement. But sometimes distractions dim that spotlight, leaving us feeling overwhelmed and frustrated. So imagine a world where focus is not a fleeting state, but a superpower that you can wield at any moment. So imagine conquering distractions, mastering new skills, and reaching your full potential. This is not a dream, but it can be a reality if you're willing to unlock it. The key lies within you, your subconscious mind. By understanding the science of focus, the fatigue, it can help us to strategize and to overcome it. So the question now is, are you ready to transform? Are you ready to figure out your own subconscious mind? Subscribe to this channel, and together we'll dive deeper into the science of the mind. We'll explore techniques to empower one another to tap into the boundless potential of the human mind, especially the subconscious mind. Take the first step towards a more focused, empowered you. Subscribe now, and thank you.